So this set of dried edible flowers, is it worth it? Absolutely. This is an incredible value. These are all dried edible flowers. You can use them in your cooking and baking. You can also use them for like scrapbooking and journaling and arts and crafts and all that good stuff as well. Even like acrylic arts and crafts where you are putting these in acrylic and making things with them. But for cooking and baking, they cannot be beat. You can use it for cake decorating. You can put them on top of cookies. You can put them on top of focaccia. You can put them in cocktails and mocktails. So many different things you can do, and they are beautiful. There are several different types of pansies and viola, which is really great. So for like spring things, especially, these are going to be beautiful. But also lavender and roses and calendula and daisies, just an overall variety, and they are all very high quality. The colors are vibrant and they retain their color, which is amazing. You wouldn't get that probably if you pressed them yourself, so they've done the work for you. So if you are looking for these, definitely get this set. This is going to last me a very long time to get through all of the cooking and baking for holidays and seasonal events.